Hi, in this video we're going to discuss the Places screen of the Andiamo Places app. When the app launches, it defaults to the home screen. You can see on the lower left corner, the home icon is yellow. To go to the Places screen, we click on the Places and now it turns yellow. And here where we see a list of places, and initially they're sorted by name, but we can sort by category, or we can sort by group, or we can sort by rating, or we can sort by distance. And the distance is handy, obviously, when you want to know which places are closest to you. And the distance is measured from the current place, which initially is set to a base location for the whole guide. So, for example, if you are on vacation, you can set your hotel to be your current location. You can change that to, let's say you're eating at a restaurant, and you change it to the restaurant or wherever you happen to be. And that's how these distances are calculated from. Then let's look at the other icons here. The back takes you back to the previous screen. Search is a text search, and it works over the name, the categories, and the groups. You can cancel the search and get everything back. Add is for adding places, and there's three types of places. There's a place, which is a point on the map, a path, which is multiple points on the map, and an area, which is multiple points on the map that go back to itself. So it's a closed area. And those are, for example, used for neighborhoods. A path might be a walking path, and a place, obviously, is a hotel or a point of interest. But I'm going to discuss those in more detail in when I talk about maps, because there's more options there for that. Let's discuss instead the filters here. So the filter, we have only show filters. So only favorites will show only the favorites, or only visited will show only the visited. Now, let me just say that right next, there's no rating, so that's why it's blank. There's a number, there's a rating. This first star means it's a must-see. So either initially the person that wrote the guide selected those, you can change them if you want. And then the heart is the favorites, and the check mark is visited. So you can select which are your favorites and then select which ones you visited. And you keep track of the ones you've seen. So I should remove that one, okay. And then you can do not visited. So obviously there's a lot that are not visited. And only the must-see. So now you see all the ones with the star, these are all the must-see places. You can also say must-see visited. So this is the only must-see place that's been visited. And that's why it has both check marks, both marks there. And then only search results is used when you're doing searches, and we'll show that again when we look at the map, because when you create a guide, one of the quickest way to do that is to find the places and then add them. It's less typing, essentially, than creating each place on your own. And when you do that, you get a lot of search results, and you don't want to, you want to see those, and so you want to hide all the ones that are not search results. And we'll see that later. Let's just unfilter. And I think that pretty much covers it for now for this Places screen. Thank you.